the hidden paganism in your Sunday service. The church bells ring, stained glass windows glow with morning light, and voices rise in unison to honor the Lord's Day. But do you know the history behind it? Do you understand the roots of your Sunday service? Pastors preach it as holy. Priests declare it sacred. Imams dismiss it altogether. Non-believers ignore it. But the truth remains, buried under centuries of tradition and doctrine, a truth that most are afraid to confront. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. He set the rhythm of time, 6 days of creation, and on the seventh day, he rested. And on the seventh day, God ended his work which he had made, and he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had made. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it. Genesis chapter 2:3. The seventh day, not the first, not Sunday. Yet centuries later, millions gather to worship on a different day, convinced it is ordained by God. But where is the scripture? Where is the divine command? The great shift from Sabbath to Sunday. Look into the pages of history. The change didn't come from Christ, it didn't come from his apostles, it came from Constantine, Rome's first Christian emperor. In AD 321, he decreed that the first day of the week, Sunday, would be the official day of rest. He called it Dies Solis, the day of the sun. But this wasn't a mere political move, it was a fusion of Christianity with Roman paganism. Sunday was the day dedicated to the worship of Sol Invictus, the unconquered sun. It was the primary god of the Roman Empire. Constantine didn't abandon his pagan beliefs, he merged them with Christianity. And the world followed. The Council of Laodicea, enforcing tradition. In AD 364, the Council of Laodicea made it official. Christians were forbidden from resting on the Sabbath and commanded to honor Sunday instead. It was declared that those who kept the seventh-day Sabbath were to be anathema, cut off from the church. Tradition replaced truth. Politics replaced prophecy. Skeptics, pastors, imams, priests, non-believers, ask yourselves, where is the command from God? Where did Jesus say the Sabbath is void? Where did the apostles declare that Sunday is the new day of worship? You won't find it, because it never happened. The warning. Prophetic implications. The Bible warns of a great falling away, a deception that would sweep across the world. He shall think to change times and laws. Daniel 7:25. But God's law is unchanging, written in stone by his own finger. Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy. Exodus 20:8. Remember, not forget, not replace. Yet here we are, centuries deep into a tradition established not by God, but by Rome. The test. Tradition or truth? When the final test comes, and it will come, what will you choose? The command of God or the tradition of man? Will you honor the Creator or follow the crowd? Search the scriptures. Find the verse where God changed his Sabbath. You won't find it, because it doesn't exist. The truth is, Sunday worship is not rooted in the Bible. It's rooted in paganism, wrapped in tradition, and enforced by Rome. But the Sabbath? That is eternal, unchanging, God's signature on time. The question is, will you remember, or will you continue to bow to the sun?